Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to receive XRP on Trust Wallet, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Log in using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type XRP. From the results, select XRP on the XRP network. This will open the XRP token page. Now tap the Receive button. You'll see your XRP wallet address and a QR code. To receive XRP, copy this wallet address or share the QR code with the sender. Make sure the sender is sending XRP on the XRP network. Important: some platforms may ask for a destination tag. If a destination tag is required, Trust Wallet will display it on this screen. Always include the destination tag when sending XRP from an exchange. Missing it could result in lost funds. Once the sender completes the transaction, your XRP will appear in your Trust Wallet balance after the network confirms it. And that's it. You've successfully received XRP on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.